Well, here's the finished product. It's my painted polystyrene. I've just got a temporary pin. I made a pin for it, but I lost it, so I'll put that one in. Here's my setup with the crane. It's just a cheap porta power, and there's an outside sleeve over the centre pole. The centre pole is full of concrete, and so the porta power comes down, and that's filled with concrete to about there, so the ram is just sitting in there like that high. A little chain on it, little chain so that we can lock it. I'll give you a demo. Wow, look at that. A one-person operation for the whole pool. I've had it empty for a little while because the last top on it that was made for me packed up so much we just couldn't keep the heat in, so this one here is the new design. About $2,700 worth. Right here I'm going to put a post in the corner of the veggie garden, and a post over there, and something to hold this, just in case something breaks or something goes wrong, that this comes down onto this ledge. It's pretty good. Wobbles a little bit, but probably not the best until I get this thing to go underneath it. But it shuts really easily. The only hassle that I'm having is I'll show you. It probably won't come down when I show you. That's too easy. Just there's no pressure on that at all. Now when I let this down, it's catching on there somehow. Oh, it's going down this time. It was catching on there. I gave it a kick, and it came right down. This hasn't it hasn't come down properly yet. That ram in there is loose, but the whole thing hasn't come down on the ground. It's just catching on the bottom. I'm not quite sure why. I'll have to work on that one, why that bloody sleeve is not sliding properly. It's catching on something. Might be a bit of weld inside the pipe or something. But there you go. We're back swimming again. Catch you next time.